Today is Friday, April 8th. Stocks are off to a decent start this morning. It's right after the open as I record this. Last couple of days, pretty volatile, up and down. Lots of reasons why stocks shouldn't be going up, but here's one reason that suggests possibly they should. This is the U.S. versus the world. And if the world is looking pretty lousy, the U.S. by default looks pretty good. So right here we have the EFA or EFA, and it's the EFA ETF, which is basically an ETF covering the world. And you can see looks pretty bad, below the 200-day average, and down below price relative or relative performance versus the S&P 500 ETF, straight down. So one good reason why U.S. looks pretty good, just relative to the world. And we'll just have a watch list here of global ETFs. We're just going to run through them, nothing fancy. This is the United Kingdom, same story. It's heading down below the 200-day average, seriously underperforming the U.S. Here's Germany, really nothing new here. France, Spain, just to show a different type of market in Europe. Looks even worse, actually. Here's Canada. Now I have the trend line in there because you can see that Canada came up to its 200-day moving average. So you'd think, oh, maybe this is all right. Maybe it's pausing here, ready to break out. And the trend line is really just to show that the trend officially is still down, although this could end up to be a bull flag. We don't know yet. Just something to watch. A little bit better performance down here, but still overall the downtrend is still in place. Australia, it's kind of a similar market, also moved above its 200-day average temporarily, could not break that trend line. Again, I put up Canada and Australia just because of the commodities factor in these two markets. And then for a real commodities thing, this is Russia, as oil rebounded. Russia is above its 200-day average, at least the ETF is, and above this trend line. So there's something to be said here. Possibly the oil thing is happening. Maybe oil is going to recover. I personally still don't see that in the oil charts where it's ready to rally, more of a sideways base with a little improving strength. But there you have it. U.S. versus the world still shows that the U.S. is maybe the best of all the ugly sisters.